Ethereum valuation. Have you heard of Ethereum? If not, it's time to get acquainted with this revolutionary platform that is changing the world of finance. But how do we determine its value? Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today, in this video, we'll take an in-depth look at Ethereum, its valuation, and what factors contribute to its market worth. So let's dive in, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications or dApps. It was created by Vitalik Buterin and several other co-founders in 2013 with the goal of creating a more flexible, secure, and programmable blockchain than Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, which predominantly supports one type of transaction, the transfer of its native currency. Side note, there are BRC20 transactions now. Please click on our video to learn more about that. Ethereum allows for the creation of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. They can be used for anything from online marketplaces to voting systems. Ethereum also has its own cryptocurrency called Ether or ETH, which is used to power transactions on network and pay fees to dApp developers. As such, Ether plays an integral role in the functioning of Ethereum's ecosystem. One key feature that sets Ethereum apart from other blockchains is its ability to support tokens beyond Ether. These tokens can represent anything from shares in a company to virtual assets in video game. This flexibility has led many companies and organizations to launch their own tokens on top of Ethereum's platform. Ethereum offers an exciting new paradigm for building decentralized applications and unlocking new possibilities for finance, governance, social media, gaming, and more. How is Ethereum valued? Ethereum is valued based on a variety of factors, including supply and demand, network usage, and adoption rates. One key factor that impacts Ethereum's valuation is its use in decentralized applications or dApps built on the Ethereum blockchain. As more dApps are developed and used by businesses and consumers alike, the demand for Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network, increases. Another important factor affecting Ethereum's value is its overall market capitalization. This measures the total value of all circulating Ether tokens and reflects both market sentiment towards Ethereum as well as its overall liquidity. Additionally, investor sentiment also play a role in determining how Ethereum is valued. Positive news or developments within the industry may lead to an increased buying pressure from investors looking to capitalize on potential future gains. There are many different factors that contribute to how Ethereum is valued at any given time, making it important for investors to stay up to date with industry news and trends in order to make informed investment decisions. The different types of Ethereum valuations. There are different types of Ethereum valuations that investors and analysts use to determine the cryptocurrency's market value. One way is through market capitalization, which calculates the total value of all Ethereum tokens in circulation. This type of valuation is commonly used for publicly traded companies, but it can also be applied to cryptocurrencies. Another type of valuation is network value to transaction ratio or NVT, which compares a blockchain's market capitalization with its daily transaction volume. NVT was popularized by famous crypto influencer called Willy Woo. The NVT ratio measures how much money is being transacted on the Ethereum network compared to its overall value. The third valuation method is price to sales ratio, which divides a company's stock price by its revenue per share. For Ethereum, this metric will compare the token's price with the amount of revenue generated by applications built on top of the platform. Then there's discounted cash flow or DCF analysis, which estimates the present value of future cash flows based on expected growth rates and discount rates. While DCF analysis can be complicated and subjective, it provides a more detailed look at an asset's long-term potential. Each type of Ethereum valuation has advantages and disadvantages depending on what metrics investors prioritize when analyzing cryptocurrencies. Pros and cons of Ethereum valuations. Ethereum valuations, like any other asset, have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. One advantage is that Ethereum has a strong network effect. The more people use it, the more valuable it becomes, and this is often called the Metcalfe's law. Additionally, Ethereum's technology allows for smart contracts and decentralized applications to be built on top of its platform, creating more use cases and utility. Another pro is that since the migration to proof of stake and the merge with the Beacon chain, Ethereum's supply is now limited to 620,500 new coins per year. This creates scarcity and can potentially drive up demand and value. However, one disadvantage is that Ethereum's price can be volatile due to its young age as an asset class in comparison to stocks or gold. In addition, regulatory uncertainty can also impact the valuation of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Some investors may view investing in cryptocurrencies as risky due to lack of government backing or insurance protection compared to traditional assets such as bonds or savings accounts. While there are pros and cons associated with Ethereum valuation, ultimately each investor must weigh these factors against their personal investment goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions about investing in this asset class. What drives Ethereum valuation? The Ethereum market is driven by a variety of factors that influence its valuation. One of the primary drivers of Ethereum's value is its utility and adoption rate. As more users adopt the platform for various purposes, such as smart contracts or decentralized financial applications, demand for Ether increases and it drives up the price. Another key driver of Ethereum valuation is investor sentiment and market hype. Positive news regarding ETH adoption, scalability improvements, or regulatory clarity can create bullish momentum in the market, leading to an increase in demand for Ether tokens. Additionally, competition from other blockchain platforms can also impact Ethereum's valuation. If another platform offers similar functionality, but better features or user experience, it could lead to a decrease in demand for ETH tokens, causing its value to decline. Macroeconomic factors such as global economic conditions and government policies relating to cryptocurrencies can have a significant impact on Ethereum valuation. Any adverse policy changes may lead investors to sell their assets, causing price to drop, while favorable policies will promote adoption, increasing demand, thereby raising prices again. In summary, multiple factors contribute towards driving the valuation of Ethereum, including utility or adoption rates through dApps utilization level and growth prospects over time, along with investor sentiment or hype, competition from other platforms, macroeconomics like government regulations, policies around cryptocurrencies, etc. So how do we measure Ethereum valuation? Part 2. Measuring the valuation of Ethereum can be a tricky business, as there are many factors to take into consideration. One commonly used metric is market capitalization, which is calculated by multiplying the current price of Ethereum by the total number of coins in circulation. This gives an indication of how much value investors placed on the entire network. The most common comparison is with Bitcoin. From a high of 9 times, Bitcoin's market cap has dropped to 2.32 of Ethereum as of 2023. This has given investors hope that it could one day surpass Bitcoin in terms of market cap to be the number 1 coin. Another way to measure Ethereum's valuation is through transaction volume. This refers to the amount of Ether that has been moved between wallets over a certain period of time. A high transaction volume indicates strong demand for Ethereum and suggests that more people are using it for real-world purposes. Using Token Terminal platform, we see that Ethereum is indeed pulling in an estimated 5.8 million in revenue versus 1.8 million as of June 2023. In relation to this, with the implementation of EIP 1559, a portion of Ether is burnt with each transaction or removed from the transaction, leading to scarcer Ethereum coins. This theoretically should increase the value of Ethereum as it becomes deflationary. In addition to this, a phenomenon which we have not talked about is the treatment of Ethereum as a type of bond. When Ethereum moved to proof of stake, it now rewards validators with an APR of about 4% from as high as 7%. Arthur Hayes, a famous influencer, alluded to this in this essay. Ryan Ellis of CoinStack went a step further by including all these metrics into a DCF model, which we will provide a link in the description. His calculations show that Ethereum is undervalued back in September 2022, but should instead be valued at close to $3,000 US. Assuming the network activity, number of users, as well as the number of dApps on Ethereum has grown from then till now, then we can postulate that Ethereum should be priced even higher than $3,000 as of now. However, it's important to note that these metrics do not tell the whole story when it comes to valuing Ethereum. Other factors such as developer activity, network security, and adoption rates play a crucial role in determining its overall worth. Ultimately, understanding how to measure Ethereum valuation requires a holistic approach that takes into account all these different variables and their interplay with one another. It requires constant monitoring and analysis in order to stay informed about the changes in market conditions and the overall sentiment towards this promising blockchain technology. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.